Public Wi-Fi is a non-secure or non-password protected network that users can connect to for free. Typically, they're found in hotels, coffee shops, libraries, and other public places. When connecting to a public Wi-Fi, don't assume that the network named library is actually the wireless network for the public library. Lots of times, malicious actors will set up their own Wi-Fi hotspot. They may call it the public library or the hotel in the hope that unsuspecting users will connect to these fake networks, then send information over them which can be intercepted. This is why it's very important to verify the actual name of the Wi-Fi network with the business to make sure you're connecting to the proper one and not to a malicious network. Since public Wi-Fi in general is very insecure, you should treat every single public Wi-Fi connection as compromised or unsafe. What this means is you should not use any sensitive websites, including your banking and social network sites, while on public Wi-Fi. This is because all of that data can be intercepted by someone else on that network. Or it could be a fake or malicious network, exposing all of your passwords and all of that data you've just entered while connected. If you need to access any of these sensitive websites, use your cell phone and do not connect it to Wi-Fi. This makes it much harder for someone to steal any information you're sending over the internet.